Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you if someone laughs at your English, what to do on that case. See my friend, you have this question. Many people they text me and they say that I have this problem that people laugh at my English when I try to speak in English. See my friend, why you are learning English, you have to identify that thing at first. You want to grow in your life, you want to excel in your career, in your personal life, in your professional life, in your social life, and many other factors you are learning English. So if your goal is clear, if someone says someone laughs at your English, so why do you care? Yes, my friend, you shouldn't have to care what other people are saying. They will say, just think, my friend, when you were not able to speak English, people used to say, look at that guy, look at this girl, okay, she can't even speak English, he can't even speak English, okay, that fellow can't even speak English. Now you are trying to speak, they are saying, oh my god, look at his English. When you will be fluent, people will say, oh, he speaks now English. So that's the problem with people. If you do something right, they will say that's wrong. They will again point out your mistakes, something wrong, even though they will definitely say. So that's the nature of people. So you must have to avoid those people. Let them go. Let them go to hell. But you should decide that yes, I need to do it for improve my life, my career. So you just focus on that. Please ignore the naysayers. You have to ignore all the naysayers. You have to understand this fact. You have to understand, you have to ignore those people because they don't want to grow in their life, they don't want to do something better in their career. So why would you listen to them? Just avoid them. Just look at their life. If they can't even do something, they are trying to pulling you down. So please avoid those guys. You just think that they are not exist in this world. You have to think like that because you, or else you can't grow. If you keep thinking about them all the time, that what they will say, maybe they will laugh at my English, maybe they will think that yes, now I become VIP person and they would won't talk with me, or they will pull me down. So why do you care? Please, as soon as possible, leave those people. There are billions of people in this world, nearly now 8 billion cross, and I think after 2030 nearly 10 billion will also cross. So there are billions and billions of people are there in this world. So please avoid those 100, 200 or 1000 people. If they they, if they criticize you, or in your English they just laugh at you, just avoid them. You have to understand, you have to learn the skill. You can say it's a skill also, that how to avoid people. So just avoid them, or else you are not gonna grow. And forgot, and please don't watch any sort of English content, English improvement content. Nothing gonna happen in your life. And if you wanna grow, keep watching, avoid them, and grow in your life. So thank you for today.